Hey, so I just got off work and I got home and noticed that I got my IPSY. So I'm going to open it. I am going to be quiet today because my roommate went to bed. So yeah. Oh, I got my these ones look blue, but it's actually kind of a greenish tealish color. Jamberry. These two are the Jamberry ones, and I love it. But it's already coming off, which is kind of weird, because it's supposed to last forever, and I just did them on Saturday, and today is Tuesday. Alrighty, so here we go. Kind of bottom half in my pajamas. So I looked, sorry, but I don't remember. I really wanted eyeshadow, but I know I didn't get any. So this, oh yeah, this isn't even in the bag. This is New York, and no parabens, color safe. Oh, it's for your hair. A Sakai Protein BB Cream. Can you see that? And of course, I got a little thingy on it. It was really easy to get off. Kind of surprised. Okay. Smells alright. Doesn't smell super good. Almost smells like men's cologne. It says light emulsify a small size amount in hands, work through damp hair, starting at the ends and working up. Style hair as usual. For added hydration, may also be applied to dry hair. I don't have that problem. My hair, if anything, is too oily. Here's a card. IPSY, blah blah. Okay, cool. And here's the bag. Cute. I thought it was going to be a brighter color than it actually is. It's more like a greenish color, which I like. Okay, so the first thing I see is this body butter. Anyway, I will show it to you. Here's the top. Here's the side. Oop, sorry. And it says with essential oils of jasmine and rosemary. Smells pretty good. Oh, it's not very confident. Let's see. What did it say? Jasmine and rosemary. Essential oils. Cool. I'll use it. This is Skyn, S-K-Y-N. This feels grimy and shiny. How can I cleanse on the run? Like this. I think that's what they're getting at. Glacial cleansing cloths. There's 10 single-use cloths in here. I assume they say single-use because somebody tried to use it multiple times. I'm hoping this is how I open it. Yes. It smells pretty fresh. I do have a little bit of makeup on now, but I kind of don't want to use it right now. Because I want to see what else I get. If I want to put something on my face, then I might use it afterwards. But I'll let you know in more detail later. I keep trying to open this and look in there. What I think. Okay, so this is City Color Be Matte Lipstick. Cappuccino, which is M7. Cruelty free. City Color Be Matte Lipstick. See, and then, here's the color. I don't know if you can see it that well. It doesn't smell good. See how much we have here. Ooh. Looks to me like that's a full size. Still don't think you can see the color very well. Alright, so I'm going to try this on. Not bad. I wish it was more moisturizing. I kind of wonder if it's going to last all day, because that would be good, but I want it to be more moisturizing, not very, you have to work really hard to rub it in. I guess that's why it's matte. Do this and hopefully you can see it better. Does that help? It still looks brown. Anyway, I tried. Okay, so this is Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner, Scone Cosmetics, ingredients, water, yeah, a bunch of junk. Okay, get this open. Got it. That was fun. Okay. Ooh. I didn't show it to you yet. You can tell. Anyway. There's the tip. Kind of looks all scary. Let's see. Ooh. This goes on really smooth. Look at that. Just barely touched it. And if you mess up, it looks like you can rub it off pretty easily. You can still see it right there. Oh. And then these have been on for a little bit. Let's see if I can smudge them a little bit. But it's waterproof. So I think it takes a little bit to dry. I'm super excited. Okay, so that is it. Bag, eyeliner, clothing cloth, body butter, BB cream for the hair, and matte lipstick. So overall, pretty good. Not too bad. Alrighty. Please subscribe and like if you like. And if you have your own unboxing video, please hit the link down there. And I would love to watch it because that's my favorite thing. And the next video I'm going to do is kind of compare this with my Birchbox for this month. Bye!